Welcome back to day 23 of our 100 Days of Java series. Today we are talking about access modifiers, basically the rules that decide who can see what's in your code. So, what are access modifiers? Think of access modifiers like privacy settings on your social media. Some posts you make public so everyone can see it. Some info you keep private, like your home address or password. Some things you share only with your friends or family. Java does the same with code. So, there are four main access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default. Public, anyone can access it. Private, only that class can use it. Protected can be used inside the same package and by its child classes. Default, package private, meaning it's only accessible within the same package. Let's write a code for public profile versus private data. Class user profile, public string username John Sena, private string password password123, protected string email john@wwe.com, string phone equal to +1 123456778, public string get password return password. Public class access modifiers demo, public static void main string args, user profile user equal to new user profile, system.out.println username plus user.username, system.out.println password plus user.get password, system.out.println email plus user.email, system.out.println phone plus user.phone. And the output will be username John Sena, password password123, email john@wwe.com, phone +1 2345678. In here, public username is just like your Instagram handle. Everyone can see it. Private password is locked away. Only you can access it. Protected email, shared only with the close connections, child classes and same package. Default phone, only people in the same package can see it, like a neighborhood. So why does this matter? Because access modifiers help keep your data safe and your code organized. You don't want every part of your program messing with the sensitive data like passwords, right?